Hello, and welcome to Aliwal TV. In this episode, I will be discussing both the old woman angelfish, spotted now, as well as the scalloped hammerhead shark that will show up towards the end of the video. The old woman angelfish is a type of fish that is located in the western Indian Ocean and found along shorelines on rocky reefs at depths between 5 and 30 meters. When a juvenile old woman angelfish becomes an adult, it undergoes a significant change in its physical appearance, as it starts as black with blue and white lines, but then changes into a fish with a bronze brown on 2/3 of their anterior, with the posterior third being a pale bluish gray. Old woman angelfish are a rare species of fish in the aquarium trade, as their range does not overlap with the main locations on Africa's coast where fish are collected to be sold for aquariums, pets, or food. Even with the juveniles being found in tide pools, their distribution leaves them hard to obtain. This species not being regularly taken away from their environment plays a huge factor in their conservation status, as they are currently listed as the least concern for protection, and are therefore not endangered. Now I will be moving on to the scalloped hammerhead shark, which I will point out once it comes into frame. The scalloped hammerhead shark can be easily identified from other hammerheads by the scalloped ridges along the front edge of its head, as its name suggests. Although their unusual shape, the unique heads of hammerheads allow them to hunt efficiently, because hammerheads have wide-set eyes. They have a better visual range than other shark species. Not only this, but since sharks have the ampullae of Lorenzini organ, which I talked about in more detail in episode 6, the individual pores of a hammerhead can be more widespread on its head, allowing them to be more accurate when hunting food. Lastly, the head shape allows for better turning, as the ends of its head, called cephalofoil, allow it to turn more quickly and accurately to catch prey. Here you can see the scalloped hammerhead swimming past the camera. Unlike the old woman angelfish, the scalloped hammerhead species are currently listed as critically endangered under the IUCN. Although bycatch is involved, these sharks are purposefully caught in widespread commercial fishing for their fins. The global capture of this species must be put on a halt and regulated if we are to ever save this species.